Me and Mom chowing the goods. Do you see the hot sauce? Check this place out. It's very authenticated. Authentication. So, how have you been? Kick his ass!
Not good enough for YouTube.
This is a replay for YouTube pleasure. She said she couldn't handle the hot sauce. I say I had to drink all my drink because it's hot. Hot! So, you're here on the set of The Good Food, and we need to know, what do you think about the dips and the chips?
What did you like?
What, Grandpa? No, the noodle head. See, here I am too. I'm just kicking back at the place. It's all good. Listen, people on YouTube need to know that you're drinking your soda because that stuff is hot. 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 So, are you looking at the goods?
No, certain times we have to buy
It's going to be good.
it's put on YouTube and show you.
Now don't forget to say boo-boo bye-bye.
No,
Boo-boo bye-bye.